Molweni bethunana, sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a Real Housewife of Durban. Hey, things went from point zero to 100,000. Everything just turned upside down. We can see Mine and uLondi getting on each other nje kuyakhulunywa lapho kubana hayi no, some of us we get imali zethu with our hands and feet, while still when you get your money on your back, you guys ivese yashisa be uMini sekadobha amabhodlela eshampagne sekufuna ukugwazwa abantu nje, izinto zivese nje zasuka nje from 0 to 100 kwenyukela nje. Ukubana kubangwani hayi kwaziwa yibona bobabili ukuthi this is our beef stew, cause wow, it went on and on and on. Now we even had uQ now standing up for uLondi. Do not disrespect my friend, because you can't just start and be disrespecting my friend in my present. Bayambuza ke ukuthi ngubani ke lo mfana lo? Who is this guy that is supposed to be here, and who is he with? And nakhona, why is he involving himself kule ndaba kaMini noLondi Landani? So everyone is confused ukubana who is Q and where did he come from, because it's supposed to be ladies. Ngoko kunabo Q, that is a gay man. So nje everyone is like, wendakalani, ufunani lo lana? So nje things went very heatedly. uMinenhle started splashing water on Londi's face, and then everyone then is like, hi guys, it's okay for you guys to exchange words. The fact that Ngoku, you are about to fist fight and Uze, you are splashing water on her, now you are splashing water on all of us. So now people are standing, even Q is standing, and uMini uyasho nje ukubana when you speak to me, do not stand up. uQ kena uyamphendula ukubana I am going to stand up as I am standing up now. I was about to sit down, but since you've mentioned that, I am going to stand on my 2 feet so that I can speak to you anyhow I want. The beef just started beefing. Everyone is standing. uMinenhle is following uQ with a bottle of champagne. Athi ngizonibonisa ke ukubana abantu abafana nani benziwani. So everyone ke bayasho lapha kuma comment section ukubana hayi, we stand with uLondi Nkosi yami. Understand ukubana intoni kanene ingxaki kaMini noLondi, because they don't understand ukuthi where is their beef coming from. Bayatsho nje abanye ukubana uMinenhle, she mustn't come back because uthanda ukubhulisha abantu, uthanda ukusatshwa nje ngento engekhoyo. Batsho kwakhona ukubana uMini is such a bore, she's got unnecessary drama and she likes behaving ngathi ngumuntu othusako. What do you guys think ukubana uLondi and uMini are fighting over? Because bayatsho ukubana if it was us that we are fighting for, you've got your own, I've got mine. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you.